Teams and the organizations end up with a better set of alternatives.
This is the first time there's been a Design and Innovation Global Network Week at SOM. We got 150 applications for 30 spots in the class. They come from 19 of the Global Network schools, any country you can imagine.
I'm Alex Bigler.
And I'm Hannah Grell.
And I think the germ of the D&I Global Network Week really started a couple of years ago. It's been a strategic goal for the Design and Innovation Club for the last couple of years, and the challenge was actually to pitch it, design it, and implement it.
You know, what we see is that design principles are applicable across all business problems, and so it's a different way of approaching a complex issue.
So we're looking at 4 key areas: education, which will be broken down into enlightenment.
And as trends and business problems get larger and more ambiguous, we see it as a skill set that is applicable across nearly every industry and definitely important for the MBA program. We tried to kind of shape it into an overarching journey for all of the students. So we started with a broad base, what is creativity, and what are some specific tools or skills that you can learn and use back in the business world.
Something we are hoping to teach you this week is the value of storytelling. And to do that, we're going to create a story ourselves right here, right now.
We had company visits featuring SOM alumni. So first we went to Johnson & Johnson Design Lab, and in the afternoon we went to What If Innovation, which is a consultant company. Our participants are learning about agile project management by building a city of Legos, taught by Kyle Jensen.
And I will walk around and look at your city, and then the product owner and the developers maybe will engage with us in a conversation.
We're headed over to the art library for a session on how design has changed in business, led by Jessica Helfen.
What does this communicate to you? It's calm, it's elegant, it's sophisticated. I mean, right? These things can actually communicate the sort of zeitgeist of the moment that you're trying.
We've been blown away by the energy, enthusiasm, knowledge, and expertise that these students have brought to this week.
They really range from people who are still in their MBA programs to EMBAs who have way more years of experience and are still engaging with the material in a really incredible way. It's been really exciting to think about all of the things I've learned and Hannah and I have learned in the last 2 years, all of the professors we've gotten to work with, and actually for us to be able to take those pieces and imagine and design what pieces would be most salient and useful for a Global Network Week, and how can we teach people those, and who are the right professors to get involved and where are the right companies to visit. It feels like a microcosm of and a culmination of what we've worked on for the last 2 years.
Well
so it's been really great.